Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be doing acrylic nails for a change, which I haven't done for a really long time. So I'm going in with the glow in the dark nude colour from Not Polish, and the pale pink I'm using is actually a custom colour that I made myself because I also wanted the pink to glow in the dark also. So I am putting the beige colour on my first finger, middle finger and pinky finger. And then I will be putting the custom pink colour that I made on my ring finger and thumb finger. And you will only see me doing one hand, but you will notice that I am actually doing both hands. I'm just showing you me doing one on camera for you guys. And here I am when I do longer nails like these. I like to do a 2-bead method, so I do like the bottom 2/3 of the nail first, and then I go in by the cuticle and bring that down so it is nice and smooth. And there we go, looking very, very nice. So I have filed and shaped them, and I'm just putting a little bit of white polish on there just so I can draw a nice crisp French line, and I will be doing that on the pinky, the middle and the first finger. And as you could see then on that nail, I did get a little bit on the skin. That is fine, just please make sure that you do wipe up any spillages before you cure it. You don't want to be curing it with it on your skin. If there's a little bit where it's off camera like now, it's because it's awkward with me doing it and recording at the same time because of the way I have the camera. So with that dry, we are going to go in with the decorations. So for the ring finger, I'm going in with these really pretty pink cherries. And I decided to go for the pink cherry design, pink and gold, because everyone was doing the red and white, and I like to be a little bit different. On the middle finger, as you can see there, I'm just placing a Aurora coloured bow, and then you can see the pretty gold Diamante cherries. I'm just placing that on the middle of my thumbnail, and then just dotting about some little gold rhinestones around the nail in different sizes, curing that in place. And I'm just flash curing all these just to hold them in place before I do a full proper cure. So now on the two fingers that we have not decorated, that just have the white French design on, I'm going back in with my little gold rhinestones, starting off with a big one, and as it goes towards the edges of the nails, as you can see, the rhinestones get smaller and smaller, and I just think it makes a really nice elegant look to the French, and I do it quite a lot. And here they are, showing you the glow in the dark. As you can see, they very much do glow in the dark. I think they came out absolutely beautiful. I think they are super cute. And now here it is in the light and you can see them. So yeah, please let me know in the comment section below what you thought of this design, what you think of it. And yeah, I will see you all in another video, guys. Bye.